When I started out in the biogas and RNG industry, I spent a lot of time attending webinars, courses, and straight up Googling stuff. Honestly, what's out there is either a little too academic or too deep into the operational details of a working biogas facility, when all I was really looking for was whether my project is worthwhile to pursue or continue investigating, or if I should just look at other avenues. That's why on May 13th, Azura and Biogas World will be hosting a 2-hour, beginner-friendly Biogas Project Feasibility Workshop. And why should you listen to us? Well, Azura has helped clients through $25 million disputes and $10 million expansions. We've guided our biogas and RNG clients through their toughest challenges and their biggest wins. In this workshop, we'll be using tools and insights that we only really share with clients. We'll be giving you a step-by-step approach on whether your biogas or RNG project is actually feasible before you spend any time or money in lab testing and fleshing out your business case. This isn't the kind of workshop where we just give you a bunch of theory and you don't really know what to do with it when you leave. I want everyone to leave with a go, no-go decision on whether they should continue researching and putting in the time into fleshing out their business case. If you're done with Googling and attending webinars that don't really work for you, then this workshop is for you. Register now and I'll see you on May 13th.